हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल योर क्लासमेट में। मेरा नाम है सुखचंद यादव और आज हम क्लास 11th के इंग्लिश बुक हॉर्नबिल का चैप्टर 3 डिस्कवरिंग टर्ट द सागा कंटिन्यूस, इसके लेखक हैं A.R. विलियम्स। इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर करने वाले हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, गिव रीजन्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग। 1. King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. Answer: to find out the time of his death and its cause, Tut's body was scanned and X-rayed repeatedly. 2. Howard Carter's investigation was resented. Answer: Howard Carter's investigation was resented because he used unscientific methods and illegitimate ways. He was focusing more on treasure and less on cultural and historical aspects. 3rd, Carter had to chisel away the solidified resins to raise the king's remains. Answer: King Tut's body had to be freed from the golden coffin part by part. The resins had to be removed with chisels and hammered as they had solidified with time. 4. Tut's body was buried along with gilded treasures. Answer: Tut's body was buried along with gilded treasures. As the ancient Egyptian royals were extremely wealthy, they also believed that the royalty would take all the treasures with them in their afterlife. 5. The boy king changed his name from Tutankhamun to Tutankhamun. Answer: Tutankhamun means living image of Amun's. He was a major god in ancient Egypt. King Amenhotep smashed the images of Amun and closed his temples. Tut oversaw a restoration of the old ways. He also changed his name to express his belief on Amun. Question 2. 1. List the deeds that led Ray Johnson to describe Akhenaten as Veki. Answer: according to Ray Johnson, Akhenaten was Veki because he promoted the worship of Aten instead of Amun. He moved the religious capital from Thebes to the new city of Akhenaten. He smashed Amun's images. He closed Amun's temples. He changed his name to Akhenaten or servant of Aten. 2. What was the result of the CT scan? Answer: the CT machine scanned Tut's body from head to toe. It created 1700 digital X-rays images in detail. It showed the neck vertebrae, the rib cage, and the skull clearly. 3rd, list the advances in technology that have improved forensic analysis. Answer: with the advancement in technology, it has been made possible for many scientific tests to be carried out in a more accurate way to determine the cause of a crime. X-ray, CT scan, post-mortem, biopsy, and autopsy are now possible. 4. Explain the statement, King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life. Answer: the above statement refers that there are hundreds of mummies in Egypt, but Tut's is the first to be scanned. He remains the first even in death as he was the first among his countrymen when he lived. He was a ruler and emperor. अगर आप हमारे चैनल में नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बगल में बने बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए, और वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।